cesarean sections should only be done when they are medically indicated. For instance, supposing you have a placenta which is covering the mouth of your uterus, nearing term, that means nearing your EDD, or supposing your baby is in a transverse position or a breech position, we would advise you a pre-planned cesarean section which should be done at around 39 weeks. Now, you don't need a very special preparation for it. Supposing you are advised a planned cesarean section, you need to see an anesthetist, and the anesthetist will advise you certain tests and will recommend you as being fit for anesthesia. Usually we will recommend a regional anesthesia for a cesarean section and not a general anesthesia. You can get admitted on the day of the surgery, and you should ideally have at least 6 to 8 hours of fasting, and we would recommend a regional anesthesia. And cesarean section actually involves cutting the layers of your abdomen to reach the baby, and after the baby is born and the placenta is delivered, we resuture the uterus back. After a cesarean section, you can bond with your baby. We recommend that the baby is shifted to you as soon as possible so that you can start breastfeeding. We would give you some painkillers and some antibiotic so that you recover faster. And usually the pain after cesarean section is very well managed with painkillers, with the usual analgesics that we give you. We would recommend that you are up and about in 12 hours time, so that you can do your own activities yourself after a cesarean section, like you can pass urine and you can walk around, and these things are very highly recommended that you start eating soon, and all these can help you recover faster. Some pain may be there, but mostly the pain can be taken care of by painkillers. You should be able to breastfeed your baby the same day or at least from next day onwards comfortably.